Welcome all. Today's episode is on temperate grasslands, which are Earth's vast treeless plains. Temperate grasslands are located in mid latitudes between 40° and 55° north and south of the equator. The prairies in the North America, the steppes in Asia, the pustas in Hungary in Europe, the pampas in South America, the velds in South Africa, and the downs in Australia and New Zealand are the names of these temperate grasslands. Climate of these grasslands is extreme. Summer temperatures are warm and can exceed 38 degrees centigrade. Winters are harsh and cold, with temperatures often dipping to minus 40 degrees centigrade. Moderate precipitation, which is generally enough to support grasses but not dense forests. Various species of grasses are found in this region. Colorful wildflowers like coneflowers, goldenrod, and aster thrive during the wetter seasons, supporting pollinators. Trees and shrubs are rare, usually found only near rivers and water sources due to limited rainfall and frequent fire. Alfalfa is a highly nutritious and productive crop, favored for feeding livestock as hay, silage, or grazing. Temperate grasslands support rich and abundant wildlife. Large grazing mammals, their predators, burrowing animals, birds, and reptiles are found here. A Turkic people with a long history of nomadic and semi nomadic life, herding livestock across the vast Eurasian steppes. These are Kyrgyz. Their primary homeland is modern day Kyrgyzstan. The Khoikhoi are indigenous nomadic pastoralists of southern Africa. Traditionally, they rely heavily on herding livestock and engage in hunting and gathering. The Khoikhoi had their own political and social systems with council of elders. The prairies of North America are known as the granaries of the world because of their conducive climate, level plains, and their suitability for mechanized farming. Temperate grasslands of South America are known as pampas. Cattle ranching and agriculture are the extensive activities carried out here. Much of the land is organized into large private estates known as estancias, where laborers work. The gauchos are legendary independent horsemen of the pampas who traditionally herded cattle. The temperate grasslands of Australia are known as the Downs. They are located on the western slope of the Great Dividing Range. Agriculture is a common activity here, and the Downs are also famous for raising merino sheep on the vast farms known as stations. Beyond agriculture, many temperate grasslands are rich in mineral resources. For example, the Eurasian steppes are famous for deposit of copper, coal, petroleum, and iron. Similarly, South African velds are famous for their Kimberley diamond mine and their gold fields. Temperate grasslands are ecologically vital biomes as they support global agriculture and human settlements. However, they face significant threats from human activities, which lead to habitat fragmentation, altered water cycle, and potential loss of biodiversity. Conservation and preservation of the natural balance is crucial for economic potential of these important ecosystems. Thank you all for watching.